All right, you found that meeting from the meetings library. Now let's dive in. On the left is the video playback. On the right, by default, are the transcripts. Let's start by playing the video. Simply click in the center like so, and the video will begin playing. To move ahead by 10 seconds, simply click on the right arrow. You'll notice that the transcripts have moved. This is a design feature and is there to ensure that the transcripts on the right are always in sync with the video on the left. With the video paused, feel free to browse through the transcript by simply using the scroll bar. Should you wish to search for a particular word or phrase, use the search bar. Now that we found the word that we are looking for, let's simply click on the blue icon on top of the dialog box to make the video jump to where we are in the transcript. There, you can see that the video has jumped to exactly this point. You can also use the meeting timeline at the bottom to mark a meeting highlight. To mark a meeting highlight, simply hover over, click, and enter the highlight. At the bottom of this page, you'll find the comments section. Comments are great to collaborate with your team or simply to let team members know that they're doing a great job. Next up, we have the Performance tab. The Performance tab lists down the keywords that you hit and missed during your meeting. These keywords and topics are customizable for each workspace and can be configured from the Settings section. You can view how to customize these keywords and topics by clicking on the video description. To view the hits and misses for a given topic, simply click on the topic like so, and you will notice that all the keywords that we hit are given in green, along with the number to indicate the number of times this was mentioned. All misses are highlighted in red. Now, supposing you want to look at the hits and misses for just one participant. Maybe he's a junior sales rep that you're coaching. Simply click the drop down menu here and select the relevant participant to view just their hits and misses. Now, at the bottom, you'll find the key customer mentions. This tab looks for certain keywords in the audio stream of external participants. It's a great way to find out what your customers' pain points are. These are also configurable from the backend, like your keywords and topics. Next up, meeting highlights. The meeting highlights tab lists out all the meeting highlights that have been added to this video. A meeting highlight is a great way to call the attention of your coworkers to a specific part of the video. To view a highlight, simply press play on the blue icon next to it, and you would notice that the video has moved to the location of the highlight. Now, if the video is currently paused, then you would need to manually press play, like so. Now, it's important to add here that each highlight has a heading, the person who has added the highlight, and you can always edit and delete these highlights. Should you wish to add another highlight, simply scroll over to the meeting timeline like so, click, and enter your highlight. That's it. You notice that the highlight demo has appeared here. Next up, the meeting info tab. Now, for the Good Meetings note taker on Zoom, you'll see the following details in the meeting info tab. First, the list of all the participants. Next, the meeting title, the meeting host, the person making the recording, the client name, the client ID, and the meeting platform that was used.